Hello, this is Colin Brazendale, and this is an update on my new list I'm building from scratch. And I just want to show you my progress so far. I made a video about 4 days ago, and this is an update on that video. You'll find that on my YouTube channel, the previous email or the previous video, sorry. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm building a list and I'm using the traffic from hashing ad space to build this traffic. So I just want to show you, I'm sending people to this page. I found that this page is giving me much better results than my previous page. And later on, as soon as this one gets saturated, I'll change this one. But so far it's going very well. And then as soon as people complete the form here, they'll be sent to this page where I've got 9 videos or 8 videos where I show you step by step or video by video how to create your own list with creating a lead magnet, creating a landing page, creating opening up a Aweber account and creating your first list. I believe that any marketer online must start by building their own email list and building an audience, because by building an audience, you're building your online business. And I'm doing this experiment basically, and as a test for myself as well, to create a list. And I just want to show you in my Aweber account. Here is the one that I'm using, and so far I had 200 opt-ins. 9 people have unsubscribed, and then I've got still 191 people in my list. Today is Sunday, or Sunday evening, and what surprises me is that yesterday, this was on a Saturday, I had my most opt-ins ever. And normally over weekends, they always tell you not to spend money on list building or buying traffic over weekends. But yeah, on Saturday I had that. Today is Sunday. I never bought any traffic this morning. I normally buy 100 ASIMI worth of traffic, and 100 ASIMI is about $3.50 of traffic. And I'm going to show you how I do that using hashing ad space. So if I go back to hashing ad space, here you can see is my account. I so far have 554 referrals, and I mainly got these people from my YouTube channel and also from my previous or email list that I used in the past, where I collected emails in previous programs that I was involved before hashing ad space. So I've got some ASIMI in my account, 353, so I'm buying 100 ASIMI worth of traffic every day, and I'm using the free view to earn. Here you can see at the top, if I click on view V2E traffic, then you can see here's all the ads that people can watch, and you can see how low the people or little the people are earning, or rather paying for their ads. And this is a 15-second ad. So the people that are watching ads and getting paid on hashing ad space, they click on view ad here, and then they watch the ad for 15 seconds. Here you can see the time at the top right. You can see this person's also using Wix. But yeah, Wix I found so far works great for advertising because it's free. Yeah, that's great for when you're getting started with internet marketing. And then after you watch the video, you just click on close and complete, and then I've earned that ASIMI for viewing that ad. I'm getting paid to view the ads. So I've already set up my ad. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to reload my current ad. And I do that by going advertising and going to my active campaigns. But before I do that, I need to load my view to earn wallet with More See Me from my main wallet. So I've got to buy these ads. I've got to purchase view to earn ads. So I click on that under advertising products. And then I just scroll down and you buy them in bunches of 10. So I'm going to buy 10 times 10. So that's 100 to see me. It's going to cost me. And then I click on continue. And then I just read and accept the disclaimer, the risk disclaimer. And then I just click on pay now. Just make sure that you've got that much a See Me in your wallet. You can buy a See Me in the Waves exchange, and there's training videos here on under getting started how to do that. So here you can see I've been buying every day. Basically I've been buying 100 to See Me, or purchasing view to earn credits by using 100 to See Me. So far this month I've been buying almost every day, and so far I've got 200. So that's basically 10 referrals per day on average I'm getting. And that's only costing me $3.50. So that is a very, very good price, or return, or not return, price to get referrals or leads into your sales funnel. But I'm not basically, I don't have a funnel, or you can call it a funnel, because in my Aweber I've got follow-up emails that I've created. So as soon as the people get into my list, every second day they'll get an email on email marketing and so on. So I'm just going to load my account. I'll go to advertise, then view to earn active campaigns, and you can see it's 0, and that is the URL that I'm promoting. I just want to see, is it that one? It's not there. I have to load it again, unfortunately. This is my old URL. Let's just see what it looks like. Yeah, see, this is that one. I don't know why did they take it away. So I've got to load this one first. But anyway, I'm not gonna. I'll have to load that again. Or for permission, because normally it's there. I don't know why they've taken it away. So to add a new ad, you go to the setup, campaign setup, then view to earn campaign setup. Normally I can just add it. I don't know why. So I'm gonna use 100 to See Me, because here you can see, I see they credited me with 75. I wonder why that happened. So with 100, I normally go for 8,000 views, and then I normally select 15 seconds. So I'm getting 8,000 views for $3.50, which is amazing. So I just click on apply. So this ad won't run immediately because it needs to be approved. So I'm just going to use my previous details. And then that URL, let's just pick that one up. So this takes a couple of hours to load, or to get approved by admin, and it's Sunday, so it might take even longer now. Submit for approval, and then we'll just load your ad, so you can see it loads and it's all fine. And then you just click on confirm here. I just wonder why it disappeared, because now I've got to wait again. And this is going to take a while, so I'm going to miss out on some traffic. But yeah, because Sundays is also normally when people are quite active. So if I go to my active campaigns, you'll see it's in there's my current ads that are not running. They ran out of credits. But here's the one. So I'm waiting for this. So you can see it's pending now. So I'll just wait for this to get approved, and then it will start running, and then hopefully I'll see new people coming into my account. But yes, so here you can see that this strategy is working, and I'll show you step by step how to set up your own list building program, or list how to build your own list on when you opt in to this program here. Or you might see this, I use either one of the two landing pages, but I'll show you how to create a landing page, how to make a lead magnet, how to integrate this with your Aweber account. So here I go through the whole process. This is just an overview video. Then I've got a video. The first step is create an account with email service provider. I recommend Aweber. And then create a new list, create a lead magnet, create your email confirmation, create your welcome email, create an opt-in form and landing page, test your form and autoresponder, how to drive traffic. In this case, I'm showing you how to use Hashing AdSpace. Hashing AdSpace is a great place to get work from home related or work on the internet related leads, because everybody on Hashing AdSpace are people that are looking for ways to make money online, because they're on here, they're earning money by watching ads. And so this is a great place to build your list if you want to build a list for the work from home or work online niche. So yes, so I think so far the list building is working, and I hope this will help you or get you started, or move you or inspire you to get started with the list building. And yes, so if you've got any questions, please comment below. I'll put my email below as well in the comments, and I'll also put my link to this landing page here, so you can opt in and get started in building your own list and your own online business for free. So yes, if this was any help to you, please give us a thumbs up. If not, you can give us a thumbs down. Please subscribe to this channel if you want the regular updates on my list building project. And yes, thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.